Assalamualaikum dear students. We are starting with the close packing in the crystals. So first one dimension. Only you will be having one particular chain of the particles. So what is coordination number? Number of the spheres simultaneously touches the central sphere. So we have seen that I have made the lines in one of the circle and it is having the neighbors two particles. So that is your coordination number is 2. In two dimensions we are having two types. One that is square planar and another hexagonal close packing. So in square planar you are able to see the diagram and we are able to see that one sphere is touching, is having the four particles touching. So coordination number is 4, packing efficiency is 52.4 and empty space is 47.6. I'll teach you how to find out that. Then we are having the hexagonal close packing. In this one your coordination number is 6. Packing is in the two dimension. Your packing efficiency is 60.4 and empty space is 39.6. 39.6, that is what we are able to see. If we talk about the particles in the three dimensions, so dear student, in the three dimension again we are having the square packing also and hexagonal close packing also. So first of all let us see with the square packing. So here is your square packing is, you are having AA type of the arrangement. It is a simple cube primitive unit cell. So you are able to see it is consisting of all the dimensions, that is your x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So we are having the one particle as a neighbor having a four particles. So that is why your coordination number over here will be 4. Next we can talk about the hexagonal close packing. So in hexagonal close packing we are able to see the layer. See first layer and above that another layer is been adjusted over here. So you can just see the flower like structure which is given on the side. Dear student, particles are having the space between them, that is called tetrahedral void. If we go for making another layer and then you are having this space between them, that is called your octahedral void. So first one, covering the tetrahedral void, you are going to have AB type of the arrangement. Constituent number, coordination number is 12. Packing efficiency will be more now, that is 74%, and number of constituent particles, that is 6. Covering the octahedral covering is having ABC type of the arrangement and it is having cubic close packing structure. Your cubic close packed structure, it is equal to your FCC, that is phase center. 1 by 2 into 6, that is your 3 particles, and 1 by 8 into 8, that is your 1 particle. So you are having A3B type of the arrangement. Packing efficiency is 74.8 and you are having constituent number as a 12. So this was about the covering of the octahedral. Now if we talk about the interstitial voids. So dear student, in interstitial voids you have to remember that tetrahedral voids, twice the number of the constituent particles, means you will be having a double the number of the constituent particles. But if you talk about the octahedral void, same number of the constituent particles. Here n sphere is equal to tetrahedral void and octahedral void. Tetrahedral is having 2n, octahedral is having 1n, and so total that is a 3n. Number of the particles, that is equal to 3n into Avogadro's number. Now dear student, what is packing efficiency? It is the fraction of the total space of the unit cell which is occupied by the sphere. मतलब एक बॉक्स में कितने पार्टिकल्स आ रहे हैं उसको आप उसकी पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी कह सकते हैं. PE, packing efficiency, is equal to volume of total number of constituent particles divided by the volume of a cube into 100. सिंपल क्यूबिक के लिए एक ही स्फीयर होता है. वी कैन से द वन स्फीयर इज देयर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन स्फीयर इज इक्वल टू 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब, दैट इज इक्वल टू ए क्यूब. फॉर योर सिंपल क्यूबिक, आर इज इक्वल टू A/2, जो हम ऑलरेडी पहले से फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. देयरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू 2r. ए क्यूब कितना आ जाएगा? 8r स्क्वायर. So when you drop these values in the formula, you will be getting your packing efficiency 52.4%. If you minus this from 100, you will get the empty space. Okay, face centered, or you can say HCP, hexagonal close packing. Volume of the 4 sphere, 4 into your 1 sphere's value, you will be getting 16/3 pi r cube. Volume of a cube, that is a cube. So you will be finding out the a value. A cube is equal to 2 under root 2 r whole cube. So when you solve this you will be getting the value of A cube is equal to 16 under root 2 R cube. Packing efficiency you are able to see by dropping the values in the formula. Packing efficiency is coming 74%. Okay, you have to solve this. When you will be solving this, you will get the clear idea. If we talk about now the body centered, so dear student, body centered was having how many constituent particles? It was having 2 particles. Okay, volume of a 2 sphere, that is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 8 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a cube, that is A cube. So BCC mein what was the value of A? That was, we were arriving from the formula of the R. R is equal to under 3 by 4 into A. Therefore your A is equal to 4 by under 3 R. So when we drop this value into A cube is equal to 4 by under 3 R cube. So what is the value of A cube? 64 by divided by 3 under root 3 into R cube. So when you drop all these values in your main formula, that is your PE, that is your packing efficiency, you will be getting the packing efficiency 68% you are having the space occupied by the particles in a particular volume. Remaining space is the empty space. So dear student, this packing efficiency you have to find out, and this is very important one. Next, if we talk about the radius ratio, so that is a little bit idea about the particles which are present over there, cation and anions over there. So that is what we are going to talk last in this today's video. Radius ratio, this simple you have to remember. Radius ratio, that is also given with the constituent numbers, geometry and example. You are able to see that radius ratio, that is R cation divided by R ion, negative ion. So here your radius ratio is 0.155 to 0.255. Coordination number 3, geometry will be triangular. Example is B2O3. Similarly, you are having the examples of ZnS, NaCl, CaCl.